What's going on, guys? Mr. Ladd here, and welcome to my channel, which is the home of the latest and greatest detailing tricks and tips, as well as product reviews. I just want to say before we get into the channel, if you like this video, as well as any other content that is on the channel, feel free to press the subscribe button, click that notification bell, whack that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and stay tuned for more great videos and content that I'll be posting in the very near future. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Alright guys, today I'm starting a brand new series of videos, and that is the Wowo's Automotive Detailing Products Reviews. And so when I did my unboxing video of the Wowo's products that I purchased, you guys are showing a lot of interest. A lot of you are mentioning that you want to see the clean wheels reviewed in the IK Foam Pro 2. And so that's exactly what we're going to do today. Right here I have the Wowo's Clean Wheels non-acid wheel cleaner, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the couple different applications. How does it work in the IK Foam Pro 2? How does it work at a 4:1 dilution ratio? We're going to kind of see in the environment, or in real world environment, in a couple different scenarios, and see kind of some of the pros and cons of the product. Now, just so you know, I did purchase this product myself for under $15 for the pint size, or for the 500 milliliter size. That is 16.9 fluid ounces. And I'm really excited to show you guys and take into the review. So before we go into the review, let me know what you think about this product in the comment section below. Have you used this product before? Or do you have high expectations, low expectations? What are your thoughts? Go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. And guys, thank you so much. Hope you enjoy the video.
Alright, first off, let's go ahead and let's see how this product works in the IK Foamer. Before we go ahead and do that, let's see the condition of the wheels, and as you can see, they're pretty dirty. Not the dirtiest wheels in the bunch, but definitely got a good amount of dirt on them. And at a 10:1 dilution ratio, you can definitely see there is a great amount of foam coming out of the IK Foamer. You can see the foam is sticking to the wheel, it is sticking to the tire, and that is what you want to see. And I'm noticing even at a 10:1 dilution ratio, the product is still showing a decent amount of lubricity. Fortunately for me, I don't have the most sensitive wheels, so I don't have to worry about that as much as others would. But if you do have very sensitive wheels and you'd like a little bit more peace of mind, go ahead and have a wheel bucket nearby, put an ounce or two of your favorite car wash soap or something that will aid in the lubrication process, and that'll give you the peace of mind that you need to make sure that you have a safe wheel cleaning process. Now, the Rag Company specifically says that this product is not very good for tire cleaning, and I've noticed that especially with the IK Foamer, it does not work the best on tires, so keep that in mind as well. Now, next up, we're going to take the Wowo's Clean Wheels wheel cleaner at 4:1 dilution ratio, and I'm going to spray directly on a dry wheel and dry tire, and we'll see how the results come out with this type of application. Now automatically, as I begin working in this barrel, I notice that the lubricity has been amplified so many times just by going with a 4-to-1 dilution ratio with a trigger sprayer. Now I know that's kind of common sense. It's a less diluted product, so there's going to be more lubricity, but at 4-to-1, I really actually do like this wheel cleaner, and I'm noticing some great results. Of course, when working on the face of the wheel, you can also really notice the lubricity coming through. This product is actually beginning to shine, and I'm really liking it the more I use it. Now I want you to notice how when I spray it 4-to-1 on the tire, you can see a lot more brown coming up, as well as the product is foaming in a very generous manner. There's a lot of foaming action, which is very, very good. Now last, I want to take you up very close to see how does the product actually work when you use it face to face. And here I'm using it at a 4-to-1 dilution ratio in the trigger sprayer, and I want you to see how does it look when I'm going in the barrels, how does it look when I'm working on the face of the wheel. That way you'll be able to get a good understanding whether this is a product that you need or not. Now as I'm done agitating the wheel and I'm getting ready to rinse it off, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this product. Does this seem like it is a worthwhile product, that's something worth to buy? Or do you think it's just another wheel cleaner on the market that doesn't stand out?
Alright everyone, that was the Wowo's Automotive Detailing Products Clean Wheels Non-Acid Wheel Cleaner. Before I go into my thoughts and all that, I do want to start off by saying that the packaging on this product is actually very, very nice. Oh, I just noticed something. It's based out of Glasgow, Scotland. Glasgow. I love Glasgow. It's one of my favorite places ever. I've been to Scotland once. It's beautiful over there. You need to go visit if you haven't done so. But some pros and cons to the products, my thoughts. I think the product works very, very well. You have to have the proper understanding that this company is gravitating towards the DIY consumer, the garage detailer, the prosumer who might detail a car or two a week at most, you know, and they're not really too concerned about the price point, but you know, they're just detailing a couple cars just to kind of tickle their fancy, if that makes any sense, if that's the appropriate vernacular here. But you know, for that, with the understanding, it's not going to be used well as a spray-on rinse-off product with a pressure washer. It's not like Chocolate Thunder. It's not like P&S Brake Buster that does that type of stuff. It isn't. It works very, very well with agitation. the lubricity is really, really good. And at a 4-to-1 dilution ratio, it has a good ample amount of lubricity. And I really even noticed that when I took the easy detailing brush and I went into the barrels of the wheel, I noticed there's a lot of lubricity. Even with the IK foamer at a 10-to-1 dilution ratio, I noticed that the lubricity was still somewhat there, which is a good thing. You really want to see that, especially if you have sensitive wheels. Another thing that I like about the product is the smell. Actually, once you spray it through a trigger and you're not smelling it straight up concentrate and it's diluted down, it almost smells like when you're a kid and you went to 7-Eleven to get Slurpees. It almost has a weird Slurpee-ish, Sprite Slurpee smell. I don't know, I'm not gonna get too much into that, but it does actually have a somewhat pleasant fragrance to it. Something I don't like, obviously, this pint, or the 16.9 fluid ounces right here, is $15, which is quite pricey. And even if I dilute it 4-to-1, $15 for a half a gallon, I don't know, from a business standpoint, it doesn't make that much sense. But if you're doing a car or two here and there, it does work. It does make some good sense in there. Like I said already, the packaging is great. I like how they go ahead and they designate the different steps of the process, of the detailing process, with the wash and prepare step, and they go ahead and put that in there. That's cool. That means they're providing information for the DIY consumer. Once again, guys, Mr. Ladd here signing out. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Did you like the product? Did you like the video? Is there something that I could work on? Or is there something that Wowo's detailing could work on? Feel free to let me know in the comment section below. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, whack that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and stay tuned for more great videos and content that I'll be pumping out. Thank you guys so much. Love you all. Take care.